Some general knowledge facts are creatively compiled to make you learn about the world around you. So, let's get started. Number 1. Elephants are the only animals that can't jump. Number 2. Like fingerprints, everyone's tongue print is different. Number 3. The only food that doesn't spoil is honey. Number 4. You can't kill yourself by holding your breath. Number 5. Typewriter is the longest word that can be made using the letters only on one row on the keyboard. Number 6. People say, "Bless you" when you sneeze because when you sneeze, your heart stops for a millisecond. Number 7. The longest muscle in the body is the tongue. Number 8. The most common name in the world is Muhammad. Number 9. Carbon monoxide can kill a person in less than 15 minutes. Number 10. The blood of mammals is red, the blood of insects is yellow in color, and the blood of lobster is blue. Number 11. The hummingbird, the loon, the swift, the kingfisher, and the crab are all birds that cannot walk. Number 12. The fastest bird is the peregrine falcon, clocked at speeds of up to 240 miles per hour. Number 13. Dragonflies are one of the fastest insects, flying 50 to 60 miles per hour. Number 14. The electric chair was invented by a dentist. Number 15. A cat's tail contains nearly 10% of all the bones in its body. Number 16. Corn is grown on every continent except Antarctica. Number 17. Hearing is the fastest human sense. A person can recognize a sound in as little as 0.05 seconds. Number 18. Rhythm is the longest English word without a vowel. And the last. Number 19. Human thigh bones are stronger than concrete. We hope you like our informative video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.